Hey, so in the garage, going to do an oil service on the Discovery because we are heading out on summer vacation in 2 days. So I want to change the oil because it's about time, and also we are driving around 2,000 kilometers. So yeah, I want to have fresh oil and new filters. So have the pollen filter, air filter, new oil filter. I'm not gonna do the diesel filter now, but I'm gonna do that when I get back home. So I'm leaving that for later. Got new oil. I need about 5 liters to do a refill. Not sure the correct amount, but gonna put it on the screen so you can see. New plug. Always want to use a new sump plug. So yeah, just gonna do this as quickly as I can because it's late in the evening, and yeah, have to get starting packing for this summer vacation. Yeah, summer vacation. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, put it into off-road mode and also set it into build mode so the suspension is not gonna move. Use the iiDTOOL for that. Great tool. Jacking it up, put it on jack stand, so that's next. Yeah, so it's 15 mils, 15 mil on the top here. Notice I'm leaving the 2 in, so I will do those by hand. Dropping it. Another one. And then you can just scooch the plate out. It's a bit heavy, so don't get it on your face. And then you have the sump plug, and that's also a 13 mil. Just to get it open, and it should be pretty easy to turn like so. I'm just gonna get other gloves for this. It's gonna get messy. Nice, almost there's no build up here, so that's good. So this is gonna drip out while we change the oil filter. Okay, 32 mil. Let's get the filter. So you can hear the oil draining from the filter. And that's our filter. So let's get that out. That can be a bit tricky, but I have a trick for that. Okay, so my trick is actually just using this hanger. Hook it up. In that way I can pull it straight out. Hopefully. Yeah. Like so. I'm gonna change out this O-ring here. new sump plug, new filter, and then the new O-ring. So I only use original filters on the engine. Also the fuel filter is original. So I like using original parts on the engine because I know that's hopefully there's less chance there's going to be anything wrong. Here you can see the O-ring here, how it's sitting. You can see here it's leaning up back. Or that's the O-ring I'm going to change out. Okay, hold it. Oh, it's coming. And just take some oil, put it on. Yeah, so you can see it's sitting as it should, snug, tilting backwards. Filter is going in first. Let's see. And there's a hole, so I can show that. And there's a hole where it should go in. You can see the hole is there, and you can see the top here is going into that hole. So you can find it. Like so. Then we can put the housing back on. Let's see. Like so. Sorry to don't remember the torque settings, so I'm gonna check that. Okay, so I checked the magical book and it says 25 Newton meters on both the oil filter housing and also the sump plug. So done. Now we can put it back on the cover. Let's see. Let's get this. Okay, so you have a new sump plug. You take some oil on the O-ring here, just so it's going to slide easier, and then the torque setting is going to be correct. Just going to clean this off. Like so. Then we're gonna set the torque, same as the filter housing as I said. So, sump plug is in. Now we can put back the protection plate. There's a buildup of dirt on it. Get easy. Bolt. Yeah. And I like to put in all the bolts before I start tightening up. Just putting a little bit of oil on, so it's not going to rust totally asunder and stuck. That's gonna make it go easier. Yeah, so there's a lot of dirt, so good, ready. Now we can put it on some oil. Okay, so now time for oil. Don't put in too much, then you have to drain it again. So you can do this without spilling. So you want to put it on like 5 liters and then just do a quick start so you can fill up the filter again, the oil filter, and then check the dipstick and see the levels. So stop and check. A bit more. So that's about 5 liters. Now I'm gonna check dipstick. It's kind of hard to check, especially when the oil is so new. It's really hard to tell, actually. Yeah, not gonna fill anymore. Do a quick start and then see what the levels are. Started. Hopefully nothing broke. So starting it without the dipstick went okay. Yeah, so it's oil down on the first leveling here, and the book said 175 liters from the bottom one to the top one. So we have a bit to put on still. To half a liter, like so. It's perfect in the middle, it looks. So I'm going to leave it. I'm going to bring a small flask of oil so I can check. When we are driven pretty much halfway, I can check the oil levels and see if I need to refill. Like so. Now I need to change the air filter. Yeah, just lift this up when you have the screws out. Then pull out the old filter. Doesn't look too bad. Some debris here, but not too bad. And scooch in the new filter. Okay, so this screw screws were pretty rusty on the inside here, so I'm going to change that one. So you can see this is pretty rusty. I need new ones. So I'm going to put this on this end because the other here are pretty good. So I know those are tight. I'm going to put this on, which is a bit better on the other side. Because there are two on this side which is pretty bad, rusted. Making sure this is going to be tight and not going to get some false air into the box. Okay, rather than just changing it out, there, you can see turning it into a flat screwdriver instead. Yeah, just going to screw this up and then continue with the pollen filter inside afterwards. You put the filter up and then push it up in this edge. It should just slide up. Oh, don't push it too hard. I did. Then just put on the plate again, like so. Done.